Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Shubhanjali Store. Today we welcome you to our YouTube channel where we explore the various wonders of the natural world. In today's video, we are diving deep into the captivating realm of pyrite, which is also called as the fool's gold. In today's video, we will be giving you a lot of information about pyrite. So we will be covering what is pyrite, what are the benefits of the stone pyrite, how do you take care of pyrite, and what are the different forms of pyrite. Also, how do you cleanse pyrite, and last, what are different types of products which are available in pyrite and what are the benefits of those. Let's begin with what is pyrite. Pyrite is also called as fool's gold because of the mineral and metallic luster that it has. The mineral composition is iron sulfide. It is generally found in cubical or octahedral or pyritohedral forms. Also, there are different locations where you find pyrite across the world. They are Peru, Italy, United States, Russia, Spain, Canada, and China. The ones which come out of Peru are the most well known as Peruvian pyrites. It is rated at 6 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means that it cannot be broken easily. These were all the things about pyrite. Now let's talk about the 5 main benefits of pyrite. The first one is abundance. People use pyrite for bringing abundance, wealth, and financial prosperity in their lives. Pyrite is an amazing stone which helps you in removing the blockages whichever you have on your wealth path. Apart from that, if you have any kind of stuck money, then pyrite is a great stone to help you bring back that money. Pyrite helps you in retaining the money that you have. A lot of times what happens is that all the money is flowing in correctly, but it goes out very fast. So pyrite helps you in holding your money with you. The next benefit is protection. Protection is also one amongst the important properties of pyrite. It helps in shielding the wearer from different kinds of negative energies and psychic attacks. The next benefit is confidence and self-esteem. A lot of times we go very low on our self-esteem. So to enhance your self-esteem and confidence, you must definitely try pyrite. It also helps you in empowering the wearer with themselves. It helps you in pursuing their goals and brings courage and determination. The next benefit is creativity and inspiration. Pyrite stimulates creativity, innovation, inspiration, and it is an excellent stone for artists, writers, and creative individuals as well. The next benefit is grounding and stability. This stone basically helps you with the root chakra as well. Therefore, it is excellent for grounding and stability in your life. It also helps in fostering a sense of security and rootedness in your life. So these were all the benefits of pyrite. The next is, how do you take care of pyrite? Taking care of pyrite is essential to maintain its appearance and properties. Pyrite can get oxidized over time and form a powdery substance on itself, which is also called as pyrite disease or pyrite decay. You need to be really careful while using pyrite. Please avoid exposure with water. Pyrite has iron in it, as I told you earlier. Iron reacts with water. Therefore, avoid submerging it in water and make sure it's always dry. Please handle pyrite really with a lot of care because pyrite clusters are very brittle. So they might just shed or they break if they are mishandled. The next one is that you must make sure that you store it in a dry, cool place because it can get affected due to the humidity around it. Therefore, handle pyrite in a correct way. Now let's go to the next one, and that is, what are the different forms of pyrite? A lot of people are unaware about the forms of pyrite that I am going to talk about today. The first one is the cubical form. So generally you will find pyrite in the cubical form in cubical structures, which is the most recognized form of pyrite. The next is octahedral pyrite. These exhibit 8 faces meeting at a center point. The next one is pyritohedral pyrite. This form is a form which has 12 faces. The next one is massive pyrite. Massive pyrite is like irregular mass of pyrite which is in the rock form, which is even commonly found and not very expensive. Chalcopyrite is also a form of the massive pyrite. The next one are the nodular pyrites. In this, they are rounded, small ball-like shape formations and which are rooted through the center core of the stone. The next one are druze or sun pyrites. Disc shaped formations which resemble the rays of the sun. And the last form are vein pyrite. Vein pyrite are formed with mineralized formations in the rock, and they are formed with a lot of different types of different stones. Now we will talk about the different products in pyrite and what are the benefits. First one are pyrite jewelry. As you can see, pyrite comes in a lot of forms of jewelry like bracelets, rings, pendants. You can wear it in the form of earrings as well. These forms of jewelry allows you to carry the protective and grounding energies of pyrite with you throughout the day. The next form are these beautiful pyrite clusters. Pyrite clusters are one amongst those crystals which come in the crystalline form. Therefore, the energy of these crystals are extremely high when you have these clusters. It's more preferred to keep clusters in your office or in your home for maintaining wealth and prosperity. The next form are these beautiful pyrite spheres. Pyrite spheres emit harmonious energy and are used for meditation, energy work and spiritual growth as well. The next form are these beautiful pyrite trees. Pyrite trees symbolize growth, abundance and stability. The next form are these beautiful pyrite tumbles. Pyrite tumbles are small and smooth stones which are easy to carry in your pocket or in your purse after you have manifested them on your grid plates or with your intention. Pyrite hearts are the next form. Pyrite hearts radiate positive energy. They promote self-love, confidence as well as inner strength. The pyramid shape is the next form. This shape helps you in amplifying positive vibrations across in your house, also promotes abundance, prosperity and protection. You can also write your manifestations and keep them under this pyrite pyramid. So these were all the different forms of pyrite. We have a lot more in our Shubhanjali store. Do check out our website and buy these products. The next topic that we will cover is how do you cleanse pyrite? Because pyrite is extremely sensitive to water, please do not submerge it in water. The best ways to cleanse pyrite are first, you can try and cleanse pyrite with smudging. So you can use smoke from sacred herbs like sage or palo santo and cleanse your pyrite cluster. The next is sunlight or moonlight. You can keep it under sunlight or moonlight for some time and then it gets cleansed. The next form is that you can keep them on selenite charging plates. Selenite is an excellent cleanser. You must have seen our earlier video regarding selenite where we have shown different types of products which you can use for cleansing your crystals. So you can use selenite to cleanse your crystal. Apart from that, you can also use the sound bath. You can use different forms of vibrations like the singing bowl, tuning fork. So that's all about this lustrous metallic crystal called pyrite. Thank you for watching till here and may your journey with pyrite be as enriching as it is illuminating. We have a huge range of pyrite products at Shubhanjali Store. Do log in to our website www.shubhanjalistore.com and get the beautiful pyrite with you today.